Hello there. I am going to try my bottle bottom pour again. I'm going to do a double with the smaller one underneath the bigger one. But this time, instead of doing a reverse dip on it or just leaving it, I'm going to try spinning it out to see what I can get. So I've already put down a base coat of Mars Black, and I will place my bottle bottoms onto the canvas about where I think the middle might be, which I don't usually get perfect, but hey, abstract art isn't supposed to be perfect. And then the bigger one over the top so that they fit in place comfortably. I know they're probably also not very flat on the bottom, but I just want to make sure there's no air bubbles. There we go. I just popped out an air bubble. Right, and there's a little one. I'll actually pop it with this right there. Don't want to pop. Okay. Pull it out from the middle, and then I can... That's it. Okay. Now my colours today I'm using are my trusty silver, a beautiful almost coral pink that I have made up with a mix of little bits of leftover colours, and my purple. And I will put them down onto the bottoms, then remove them, see if there's anything I need to do for the centre, and give it a spin. So I'll start now. Wow, that is bright. And I've learned a couple of things. First of all, if I want my base colour to be prominent, I really don't want it to be black. And secondly, that whatever I do in the middle, of course, is going to spread out even bigger. So in future I might do a spiral shape rather than a star shape. And I've also noticed that there is a little bit of paint separation going on, which I'll show you when I bring this up closer to the camera for you to see in the light. But I'm very happy with this, as I'm enjoying using the spinner, and so I'm basically experimenting with it to see what I can get. But the paint separation is almost like a paint lacing, but very fine in different parts of the picture. And overall I'm very happy with it. The colours are bright and vibrant. I am hoping they will dry that way. And the spinner, although slightly off centre, still spun it out with all colours showing. So I got good amounts of the purple and the silver, of course, because I did quite a bit of the silver, which is one of my favourite colours. And the unusual pink, coral pink I think I called it, colour. So another good result for me, and that's my picture for the day. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.